Sorry for the delay. We are in basically, as you know, something is happening, but nothing is finalized. Okay.
Innate visual access. So, as regard item number 34, Lord, I have two prayers, Lord. If your Lordship permit, can it be upgraded at 2, Lord? And second, Lord, I need to, Lord, I'm filing a reply to the affidavit filed by respondent number 4. That I may be permitted to bring on record, Lord.
Should we have it today?
My Lord,
Should we have it today? Because it's very uncertain. We do not know anything.
my Lord.
Today and tomorrow, everything is hanging. Even if we fix it today at 2 o'clock, we don't know.
Lord, I have some submission to make as regards service, my Lord, because I is there before your Lordship. Lord, the counsel for the private respondent.
Okay. If we sit, we'll take.
My Lord. Deeply. And as regard bringing on record, my Lord, deeply.
May I please, Lordship? Sir, I beg to mention item number 25. Sir, I have some instructions required, madam, from the outside that petition.
2017 matter.
Madam. So, madam, you know, since some days, madam, I have no contact with him. With the
15, 1-5.
develop.
May I please, Your Lordship? Let me mention item number 32, my Lordship. My senior counsel, Sir M. Dotto, he could not appear before the Honorable Court due to his elder brother's expired today and he is now available in Calcutta, Your Lordship.
When did he expire?
Expired.
When?
Yesterday.
Yesterday.
Is available in Calcutta, my Lordship.
As the and council representative petitioner is under review. Let's listen to it. Okay.
May I please, Your Lordship? In respect item number 10, Your Lordship. In this case, Your Lordship, there is a mistake in the annexure, Your Lordship. Allow me to withdraw this petition to file a fresh, Your Lordship, with the liberty to file a fresh because their total is not properly annexed, Your Lordship. But item number 10.
Mr. Rafs Islam and council appearing for the petition. Submitted that inadvertently the petition. The petitioner failed to annex certain documents. And as such, documents as annexed. And as such, prayed for withdrawal of this petition to deliver it to file with those documents, to which the councils for the respondent have gone. When is the order passed?
Order is
This matter is of
19.
2019.
19, Your Lordship. During long time it was filed, but earlier it was not listed. Last occasion we have
Implement
not.
order is of which date?
31/7/2019.
Liberty. This is 20. Item 10.
10 years. Published.
How early? No, with limitation ground is keeping off. Ground of limitation. Keeping off.
Published.
Yes. May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item 19, Lordship. Any date, Lordship.
When do you want?
Deeply, Lordship.
When do you want?
Item 19, Lordship.
You want adjournment or what?
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, next.
Any date, Lordship. Diplomat.
Wait, please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item 33, lordship. Lordship, LC was called for, but LC is not yet received, lordship.
Let the matter reach. Pass on. Yes, next.
Yes, please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention
You come
item
this side.
3 and 12 of daily list. Matter may be adjourned for
Item
week
number,
3 and 12. Councillor out of station.
what's your good name?
Yes, Ahmed.
Yes, next.
May I please, my lordship? The engage, for item number 5, the engaged council is out of station.
Some more. Yes,
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 30 on
30. 13 or 30?
31.
31. Yes,
31.
what's your prayer?
Lordship, a record not found in our chamber, my lord.
Wait for your turn.
My lord, I begged for the item number 32, my lord. My lord, the counsel for the petitioner is out of station on the occasion of the demise of his elder brother, my lord.
32 has been mentioned by someone.
Mention
32 has been already mentioned.
my lord, we are for the petitioner actually.
Hmm?
My lord, we are for the petitioner actually.
Definitely, on behalf of Mr. M. Datta, who is under bereavement, we have passed the first order. Somebody has already mentioned. Yes,
My lord, an interim was also there, so my lord may
we don't know,
continue.
somebody has passed the, mentioned it, they have passed the order.
Oblige, my lord.
May pay before receipts. Since 24/5/2019, after getting interim order, the petitioners does not contact with us till date, and that was also stated on 26/10/2022, which under para 2, para number 2, it was also noted of your order. So, my lord, we want to withdraw our names from,
That is not the way to withdraw names. You have to write a registered letter to the client.
and notice
Your
may be
client.
given to the petitioners,
You have sent letter.
my lord.
Have you sent letter to your client?
Not my lord.
Then that is not the way.
Yes,
Read the High Court rules.
Yes.
This is not the way by making a mention that you will withdraw from the case.
we may be permitted, my lord, to notice from our side to the petitioners.
Interim order to hearing.
Yes, Mr. Sharma, do you have the instruction? When did he appear?
I don't have lordship.
We direct on last occasion, 26th of October, we have directed you along the
Oh.
petitioner.
Lordship. At 2, I will get the instruction. Lordship.
Okay. SP Border Morigaon,
Yes, lordship.
tell us at 2 o'clock, we'll pass the
Yes.
order.
Master.
It is done. itu last photo update করেছিলাম video তে কোথায়
No representation on behalf of the petitioner on call. To name of 50 councils have been reflected in the list after a week.
May it please your lord. My lord, is of 2019, my lord, impugned order is of 2019. Here, my lord, the petitioner, Azmat Ali, his father, Wajuddin. His name is reflected in the voters list of 1965, my lord. That is at page 14. 65 and 70, page 14 and 16, my lord. And petitioner's name is reflected in the voters list of 1989, my lord, page 18. For the same village, my lord. In the voters list of 1989, petitioner's father's name is reflected as Waj, my lord, instead of Wajuddin. But my lord, in voters list of 1970, it is correctly reflected as Wajuddin, my lord.
Not Mr. A. Chaudhary. Not prompting for the petitioner. Mr. B. Sharma, Lanet CGC. For response number 1. G. Sharma, Standing Counsel from Department of Assam for response number 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, and 5. Mr. P. Sharma, Additional Senior Government of Assam for response number 4. And Mr. A.I. Ali, Standing Counsel, Election Commission of India for response number 7. On being referred by the Superintendent of Police, regard Borpeta. Learned member, Furnace Tribunal 9th Borpeta. In F.T.9 in bracket BPT. Case number 289 of it 70. By the opinion of the final order dated 10/04/2019. Declared the petitioner to be a foreigner of post 1971 stream. Being agree with the same. Being agree with the same final opinion, final order dated 10/04/2019. The petitioner filed a said petition on 24/07/2019. This should notice returnable by 8 weeks. Certain such no comment. Petitioner shall take steps on respond number 6 by registered post secretary, providing its correct information by tomorrow operating. Subject to the appearance of the petitioner before the Superintendent of Police of Mundar Borpeta. Honor before 18th of 18/11/2020. If in the meanwhile, we have been taken into custody approximately said final order. Fasting.
Obliged.
All put it across.
May I please elaborate? My lords, here in this case, my lord, the petitioners are declared to be foreigners in the schemes of 25th March 1971, my lords. Only on the ground that the petitioner did not mention in his deposition that due to religious persecution, petitioner's fathers came to India. This was not mentioned in his deposition, whereas in written statement, page 32, paragraph 5, my lords, he has 6, my lords, he has clearly mentioned the father of the opposite party came from the East Pakistan to Dharmanagar, Tripura states due to the religious persecutions against the Hindu religious by major religious community of the East Pakistan. In his written statement, the petitioners clearly mentioned that due to religious persecution, the petitioners' fathers came to India. My second point, my lord, during the inquiry officer submits a report. Page 58, my lords, the report submitted by the inquiry officer. Inquiry officer submit the report. Second paragraph, last page. The persons being a foreigners in private facie appears to have entered into Assam's India within the period of 1166 and 2471 from the specific territory Bangladesh, East Pakistan. The learned trial courts decide the matter beyond the jurisdiction. Inquiry officers submit this report that the petitioner's father enters into India in between 66 and 71. Whereas the learned tribunals have decided the matter that the petitioners declared foreigners post 71. Decide the matters against the jurisdiction.
Okay, let us call for the record.
58.
Page number 57. Begin between 29 to 71. Yes, Mr. Sharma, you look here. Apparently, as per page 57 and 58, it reflects that the period is in between 1st of January 1966
Yes, Lord.
to 24th of March.
Yes, I have seen Lordship.
Later, a cause we call for, we'll verify from
Yes,
the
Lordship.
reference.
And that issue also decided by this honorable court this year, Lordship, in the case of Rukia Begum versus Union of India, Lordship.
What is the finding?
Yes, Lordship, tribunal can go beyond reference, Lordship. I have the copy, Lordship. I Rukia Begum for Lordship, I will provide Lordship. Lordship, WPC 2279/21, Lordship.
Decided on
Lordship. No.
2 to 7.
Lordship, I will provide.
We'll get it. Disposed upon 12th of June 2023.
Yes, Lordship. Case number 2.
Case number
2279/20.
21,
21.
dated 12/6/2000.
279 of 21.
Hmm.
Rukia Begum Barbian.
Itu beyond reference, tribunal cannot go beyond reference. But itu beyond reference, the parable is.
Please take your seats.
Thank you.
What's that? Time to get over the name. Mr. Sarkar,
Yes, my lord.
the coordinate bench of this court on 12/6/2023 passed a detailed judgment. You can go through that. Probably it has not been reported yet, but considered all the aspects. It's not that reference is only for the period of 1/1/1966 to 24th of March 1971. But considering the period of the, considering the provisions of the Citizenship Act as well as the Foreigners Act, and with the all amended provisions in it, the court passed a detailed order. I'm just was reading on it. You also go through, or instead of that, we'll call for the records for the first time. We'll see, because this particular judgment will be applicable in the present case, which you are claiming that it cannot go beyond the reference, but that's not the case.
Yes.
What the court have said is that if it is from 1/1/1966 to 24th of March 1971, he's a foreigner and he's required to register himself,
Yes,
right?
yes,
So first of all, to find out whether he's a foreigner or not.
Yes.
If it's found that he's a foreigner for that particular period, he has to register. First of all, he has to determine whether he's a foreigner or not, of which particular base year.
Yes.
Whether it is on or after 25th of March 1971, or in between 1/1996 or 24th of March 1971. So, following this judgment, this reference you cannot say is bad. Okay, or the decision is bad.
Yes.
Let us call for the records.
Yes.
Heard Mr. H. Circle and counsel appearing for the petition. And Mr. B. Sharma, learned suggested for the respondent number 1. Mr. G. Sharma, learning counsel, Department of Assam for the respondent number 2, 6 and 7. Mr. A. I. Ali, standing counsel, election commission of India for the respondent number 3. And Mr. P. Sharma, additional senior government advocate Assam for the respondent number 5. Guru. Mr. Circle and counsel appearing for the petitioner placed before the court that the case 58, right? Yes, yes, Lord. That while referring the matter to the tribunal, the petitioner was the petitioner or the tribunal, it was requested to determine whether the petitioner is a foreigner whether the petitioner is a foreigner for the period from 01/01/1966 to 24/03/1971. But the learned member of Foreigners Tribunal number 2, Hemaji, Sila Potar, in FT case number 347/2017, by its final order dated 07/11/2018. Determined the petitioner to be a foreigner of post 25/03/1971 under the Foreigners Act 1946, who had illegally entered into the territory of India, Assam, without any valid documents. Stating that, Mr. Mr. Circle Counsel for the petitioner submitted said decision dated 07/11/2018 of the learned member of Foreigners Tribunal number 2, Ramaji Silapotra, is beyond the jurisdiction of the reference, and as such needs to be set aside and quashed. On the other hand, Mr. G. Sharma, Learned Standing Counsel, Home Department, Assam, by placing the decision of a proceeding bench of this court decided on 12th of June 2023 in the case of Rukia Begum versus Innovin and others, WPC number 2279/2021. Categorically observe that the, on being referred by the Superintendent Police Board, on being referred, the Foreigners Tribunal can go beyond the period of 24/03/1971 and go beyond the period of 1166 to determine whether the petitioner, whether the proceeding is a foreigner or not under the Foreigners Act 1946. We have perused the judgment of the coordinate bench of this court in the case of said Rukia Begum noted above. This notice returnable by petitioner filed this petition on 29/06/2019, challenging the said final order, it is 07/11/2018, passed by learned member of Foreigners Tribunal Group, Kamal Silap. This notice returnable by 8 weeks. Steps by steps on the response number 4 by raised opposite providing this. Appear before the Superintendent Police Board, Ramaji, honor before 780. We have to rise. Clips are coming, you might haven't seen because with regarding to our chiefs who have been considered for Supreme Court, we have to arrange something of the farewell and all. But we'll come back. Court master will let you know. It will be in the, it will be there in the notice board. We have to arrange something and discuss something. So we'll get back to you immediately. It will be in notice board. At least by 11:30 or 11:45 we'll be back. But verify. What a time. Because they may think that we may see it at 11:45 or 12, so we will not pass any order at it. Next. Yes, please. Yes.
Please take your seats.
Yes, madam. That is saying that even his name has been considered there, that's all. Projected father of the petition. Nadir Ali is the projected father of the petition.
Of the petitioner lordship, and 71 is again Nadir Ali, son of so and so, he is 51. So the continuity is maintained, but the petitioner's name appears for the first time in 1989. At the age of 32, he has not been able to explain why it did not appear 12 years earlier. That is one thing, and the Gaubura certificate which he is relying on, that is not admissible because that was only for the purpose of NRC lordship. And other subsequent documents are not that relevant because the linkage has not been proved with the father and the petitioner lordship. And date of birth also, in 2019, when this petition was filed, he was 49 years. That means he was born sometime in 1970. The petitioner was born sometime in 1970. So he need not rely on 71 also lordship. He himself can prove his citizenship, but he has to first prove that his father existed. No document showing the father and the son is before this court. And the sale deed also, which my friend is referring to, is registered in the year 1977. Yeah, you go to page 83. Yeah, it's 77 followed. Hmm? Hmm. Lordship, there is a big discrepancy in the age. If we consider the 1989 voters list, the petitioner ought to have been born in 1957. And if by affidavit we go, then he ought to have been born in 1970. And if we go by the EPIC, the voters ID, then he ought to have been born in 1988. There are 1967. There are a big discrepancy in the age in all the three documents which are annexed to this petition, Lordship.
Your Lordship, our case is that the petitioner was born in 1969. Our case is that's what he has told us. He is born in 1969.
But none of the documents show your age to be from 1969. It's either 1957 or 1991 or 1988.
No,
As per your documents. Yeah.
The voters list always, the voters list, the age of in the voters list, your lordship would appreciate it's never shown exactly correctly in every time. Even my age, when the voters list comes out, the age is shown as something else compared to what my current age would be.
But the father's continuity is there, 66, and the father in 66 and in 71, his age is maintained, Lordship.
The father's continuity, of course, is there, and we have also shown that this person is the son of Nadir.
No, but it has nothing to prove. How do you prove it? Nobody has come to
So
prove it.
the only request, the only prayer that we are now seeking is that let the matter be remanded back to the foreigners tribunal. Let the foreigners tribunal adjudicate the matter based on the evidence that is already produced, because the foreigners tribunal definitely committed certain error in appreciating all the documents.
Yeah. Thank you. Lordship, my humble prayer is since notice has not been issued in a 2019 matter, notice may go, LCR may be called for, and then Lordship may further examine the matter.
Madam is people vote. Okay. On being referred by Deputy Commissioner of Police. That member, for next time, in application number 571. By its opinion of the final of 2021 and 2019. Declare the petitioner to be a foreigner and a foreigner second. Doing activities is finding there are 31 divided for the 90. Let's try. A petition on 2012-2019 by the secretary.
Thank you.
P. Sharma Paul, A. Verma, AI Aditya, P. Sharma, 5. Why you have made Deputy Commissioner Kamrup Aminga as a party respondent?
Uh,
Party respondent number 5. Why you have made?
Your Lordship, actually, there was an apprehension that he may be arrested because of.
You was saying you were a resident of Bamuni Maida.
Yes, yes, Your Lordship, yes.
Then why you have made Deputy Commissioner Kamrup Aminga?
Yes, Your Lordship, I have, yes, I'm sorry, I like.
Delete.
Your Lordship, I'll delete that respondent as a part, respondent number.
Strike off.
Strike off the respondent.
On instruction of the petition.
Yes, Your Lordship, sorry, Your Lordship, I'll.
Wait for some of the name of the respondent. The respondent number 6 and 7. Number.
Lordship, even respondent 4 has to go, Lordship. We cannot appear for the foreigners tribunal, and foreigners tribunal cannot be made a party, Lordship.
Normally,
But
4 and 5 will have to be striker.
it's to put
but.
Three and-
No.
We can't have.
people. Notice to put 309.
2 and 7 will be represented by us, Lordship.
267.
6, yes,
Oh, yes,
Lordship.
yes.
2, 6 and 7.
6 and 7 will be 5 and 6.
Yes.
Numbered as well. So, no,
4 by copy there.
enabled by- Subject to Deputy Commissioner of Police. Wahan.
Interim teacher. Assistant Secretary for bail to lower.
On or before 18. If not arrested. If intimate police arrest. Appear before the Deputy Commissioner of Police, Border, Guwahati, on or before 18.
Item number 8.
Yes, Mr. Seth.
Yes, at page 42. Father name has been shown as Afazuddin. That is the reason the tribunal has page 42. True. That is why the can you tell us one thing? Please come to page number 50, your written statement. Page number 51, paragraph 8. Who is your husband? Mofizuddin. But name of your father-in-law is not there. Now please come to page number 52. What is your husband's name? Mofizuddin. Please come to page number 37. Your EPI card. Who is your husband? Mohijuddin Sheikh. Page number, next page, 38. Who is your husband? Married to whom? Mohijuddin Sheikh. Page number 39. Listen. Page number 39. Wife of whom? Wife of page number 39. Wife of Mohit. But in your written statement, you have not stated that Mofizuddin or whatever. You said you are the wife of Mofizuddin. Anything else? That we have seen. That we have heard Mr. MSA. Counsel for the petition. B. Sharma 1. G. Sharma 2. Sorry. The number code 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll get double 2 months. 2, 3, 2 and 3. Correct. P. Sharma, the distance in a from 4, KI Ali 5. Being referred by recipient to police border, Valpara, member of Fairness Tribunal, Valpara, by impugn opinion of a judgment, dated 28/02/2017, passed by the learned member Fairness Tribunal number 5, Valpara, by the impugn opinion of a judgment dated 28/02/2017, passed in FT case number F.T.5/130/MA/2015, declared the petitioner to be a foreigner under the Foreigners Act who had illegally entered into the territory of India in Assam on or after 24/03/1971. Being agree with said in opinion dated such and such. The petitioner filed this writ petition on 1/10/2019. So notice returnable by 8 negative. Call for the record. If not, then any person. Collect me to the or not put it. So not so much. Maintainability of this writ petition. And this writ petition on 1/10/2019 after more than 2 years. Maintainability of this petition kept open and shall be considered at the time of its admission state. Appear before the Superintendent Police Board of Golpara on or before 18th. This is on 31st of March 2009.
Yes, yes, Lordship. And a different place, Lordship.
Can you tell us, madam, how come if you are a resident of
Mahatoli.
North Salmara, you have been allotted a lawn at village Rojai Panikwa Bill at the Moja Season Gram, nowhere connected with South Salmara, sorry, North Salmara.
No, sir, I was a landless person.
Then you should have been placed where you have stayed there. That means you are the resident of this area, Rojai Panikwa Bill.
Lordship, Timonia Part 2 and Part 3 are adjacent villages. Lordship.
That doesn't
And the
matter.
petitioner moved to this village for a better living after marriage. Lordship.
Rojai Panikwa Bill is different, Moja is different. Hmm? It is not that a person resident of a particular area will be given, if a landless person will be given land at some other place. Then he should be a resident of that area. A person resident of Jorhat will not give him land at Guwahati as a landless person.
No, I had the roots at Timonia Part 3. Lord. In Part 3, I was allotted the land in the residing unit. But I have casted my vote in Timonia Part 2. Lord. Since I am a landless person, Lordship, and I was allotted in the area, Lordship, by the government.
Not true. Anyway,
Lordship also see page 12, Lordship. Okay, page 12.
Hmm.
Resident of Pahartuli, Lordship. And reference was made against Mukaddes Ali of that particular village, Lordship.
or MSB Google Learned Council appearing for the petitioner. B Sharma 1, B Sharma 2, 6, KL is 3, P Sharma 5. Being referred by the Superintendent of Police Board of Bongaigaon. London Member Foreigners Tribunal, Bongaigaon, number 2, Abhayapuri. In case number BNGN/FT-2/APR/728/16. By Impugn opinions that's ordered at 29/06/2019. Declared the petitioner to be a foreigner. The foreigner said 1946. Who had illegally entered into territory of India within Assam from the specified territory of Bangladesh on or after 25/09/71. Being agreed with the said ordered at 29/06/2019. Petitioner filed this writ petition on 27/11/2019. Issue rule returnable by edicts as such step by tomorrow. If not, we have opened the police order on or before 18/11/2023. That is the line about what Returnable.
Oh.
The petitioner select. Take as 2 point.
No, fine, no.
Yes, ma'am. You are for which item? 1, 3. Yes,
In this case, petitioner brother, elder brother also examined.
brother has been examined as who?
Elder brother, page 27, annexure 4,
Page
27,
DW.
DW3.
Okay. What do you want to show from here?
Personal,
Hmm?
personal, DW3.
What do you want to show from this evidence? What do you want to place? Please tell us.
Land document.
Hmm.
Petitioner father name has been recorded in the land document. I have annexed annual Kiras Pata in the year of 1938,
Hmm.
page 42. Annexure 7. Petitioner father name is Sabur Ali.
Where are the list?
Lordship, 1985 petitioner mother and elder brother name was recorded in the total list of 1985, page 49.
Where is your written statement?
Page 18. I have annexed another land document in his grandfather name.
Please come to page number 24, 25 and 26. You have projected one Subur as your father. But what you have stated here, just see. Subur Ali is the father. Notice was given in the name of son of Sukur Ali, which you have accepted and participated in the proceeding. Now read page 25. You can read loud.
My name is Abbas Ali. In the year 1997, I was marked as the voter, and in the voter list of 1997, my name is written with my father as Sukur Ali. When I was 3 years of age, my father expired. My mother expired 45 years ago. The Gaupura has issued the death certificate, and by the certificate of Gaupura, my name was mutated in the Jamabandi copy Exhibit P. My father had purchased the land by virtue of purchase. My father name was mutated. On the notice, my father name is Sukur, and knowing fully well that my father name is Sukur, I have accepted the notice.
So what remains? Knowing fully well that my father name is Sukur, I have accepted the notice. Then you have projected your father as Subur. Not Subur, Sobur, S-A-B-U-R, Sobur. So you have said in your written statement, wrongly shown as Sukur, it should be Sobur.
Yes.
But in your deposition, you have said other way. Heard MS Deborah, right?
Yes, yes.
Non-profit. Counsel for the petitioner. And MS and B. Sharma one. Two. A. Verma, Miss A. Verma. Then the council to home. Assam, article number 3, 5, 6, and 8. P. Sharma, Sarakotte. P. Sharma, 7. Please come to page number 56. So you want to take the benefit of that?
And I'm a brother of the petitioner.
No. That is the reason. When asking you.
One registered against his brother, but Senate member, teacher, personally Indian.
In your written statement, there is no mention about this case. You have filed your written statement on. Course, you have not given a copy. Maybe in 2016-17. But there is no mention about this particular case. Why? If you are the son of Sabur Ali, it was decided long back. June 1990. Big effort. Final order 04/04/2019 passed by landed member Furnace Tribunal number 7 Kolkata in FT in case number F.T.240/2016. Foreigner, the Furnace Act 1946. But illegally entered. Foreigner of illegal migrant, illegally entered into the territory of India, Assam. Honor of being agree with this opinion. Letter 04/04/2019. Petitioner filed this petition on 17/12. 17/12/2019. Issue rule returnable by agents. But condition get applied. Appear before the Superintendent of Police Border Barpeta on or before 18th.
May please contested matter loaded. Allow occasion by order dated 29/5/2023 loaded. This honorable director government law Latgaon oral loaded. Dokil Lupo he lot number 24 file affidavit to why he to this certificate Gavra certificate under what sources of knowledge he issued this accordingly the Gavra file his affidavit on 27/6/2023. In this case, he admits that he know the of the petitioner and mother. There in this case, lordship, petitioner father name appear in the voter list 1966.
So the village headman has stated that only after verifying the voter card, he has issued the certificate.
Yes.
Okay, fine. There are two cases pending against you.
Lordship, but both the case amalgamated and contest trial on one case. Initially, two cases was registered. Thereafter, both the cases amalgamated. Tried together.
So after this NRC, all in all, your name did not figure, then you test out.
Lordship.
Ms. Verma, is there any such decision? Because what we have noticed, when the persons did not find their name in the NRC and later on came to know about the,
Ex parte
Ex parte
proceeding
matters.
or others, lordship. Yeah.
in those cases, could have passed order for reopening of the cases, allowing the petitioners to, or the proceedings to appear before the tribunal.
Not exactly. Court had said that they were aware of the proceedings because the reference was always there. And since the NRC was in process, on those cases, we had referred to the NRC stating that these proceedings against them and their names should not appear in the NRC. no such decision was there that they should be, court issued notice and ask them to complete the proceedings.
But probably in those matters where notices were not issued in person. they did not
Notices
let-
were not issued also, and some cases were filed and not listed also. Lordship will find many cases which were never listed.
Okay.
Because we received copies in advance before they are filed. So during the NRC period, I had about 3,000 such cases which the copies we had received, but those cases were never listed, Lordship. And now I see them coming after we made a mention to the other bench that there are many such cases which have been listed, filed but not listed. And then Lordship had found it out, and those cases are now
Now
coming up.
coming, 2019 matters.
1918 also, Lordship.
Okay.
At that point of time, there was a panic situation. Everybody wanted their name to be there. So cases were filed in bulk. Every person came out from the hiding.
You are Mr. For the petitioner. A. Sharma 1. This is Masai Verma. Of K.I. Ali 2. K. Verma 3. 4. Plus A.I. Ali 2 or 6. K. Verma 3, 4, 8. P. Sharma 5. On being referred by the Superintendent of Police Border, Lakhimpur, not Lakhimpur. Two cases were registered against the petitioner. One being Lakhimpur FT capital Roman 2 in bracket T bracket close case number 480 of 2009. Within bracket LBC number 214 in bracket DKA and number 2 1112. Lakhimpur FT Roman 2 capital T case number 438 of 2008 bracket LBC number 3299 DKA. The learned Furnace Tribunal, learned member Furnace Tribunal, capital Roman, Lakhimpur, not Lakhimpur. Amalgamated, put the case. And after hearing the petitioner, by the impugned opinion of the final order is the 31/10/2019 declared her to be a foreigner under the Foreigners Act. Right, huh? Were illegally entered into territory of India within Pakistan, the specified territory of Bangladesh on or after 25/03. Being agreed with the said opinion, dated 31/10/2019, petitioner filed this said petition on 04/06/2020. rule enabled by it. Steps on the respondent. 7 by raise the to appear before the Superintendent of Police ordered not Lakhimpur, Lakhimpur. Honor before 18th. But if not at it, 18th. Yes, Mr. Sigdev. AR Sector 1, B. Sharma, sorry, AR Sector for the petitioner. B. Sharma 1. Mr. Z. Sharma 2, 5, 2 and 5. A. Ali 3, B. Sharma 5. Impugn opinion, final order dated 15/10/2019. Passed by foreigner member of Foreigners Tribunal number 7 or better. Bring the paper back. Foreigner oblique illegal migrant. The foreigners. On or after 25. Okay. On 24/6/20. Rule. Condition get up right. Appear before the Superintendent of Police, Border Barpeta, on or before 18th. Here are secret for the petitioner. A. Sharma 1. Z. Sharma 2, 3. P. Sharma 4. AILE 5. Impugn opinion order dated 19/01/2019. Learned member Foreigners Tribunal number 4, Barpeta in FT case number 483/2016. After hearing petitioner. After hearing the petitioner, declared her to be a foreigner. The foreigner second who had into illegally entered. Just Madrasi has been taken into custody. on or after 25/02. Already filed its petition on 22/06/20. Rule returnable by appear before Superintendent of Police border on or before 18th. Second up, contact. It's
No, never appeared, Lordship. Never appeared, Lordship. So, Lordship, earlier interim order may be vacated, Lordship.
Now it's
Lordship. Pendency of the writ petition, Lordship, may not be a bar to detain the petitioner. Lordship.
By an order dated 24/05/2019, the court, while issuing notice to the respondents, not notice. While the court called for the records from the concerned foreigners tribunal, in the interim, allowed both the petitioners not to be taken into the custody and not to deport them from India pursuant to the impugn opinion oblique order dated 15/12/2018, passed by learned member Foreigners Tribunal within bracket 5th bracket close Morigaon in FT case number 233/2016 within bracket new number FT case number 1513/2012 old number whereby both the petitioners were declared to be a foreigner under the Foreigners Act. Who had illegally entered in the territory of India within bracket Assam from the specified territory on or after 25/03/1971. Observing that the petitioners shall appear before the Superintendent of Police within bracket border, Morigaon, within 15 days from the date of the said order dated 24/05/2019. With further observation that on their appearance, the Superintendent of Police border, SP border, you just right, SP border, Morigaon, shall record the biometrics of the iris of both eyes of the petitioners, the fingerprints of their both hands and photographs and their photographs. By order dated 26/10/2022, the court inquired from the counsel for the petitioners as to whether they, i.e. the petitioners, appeared before the Superintendent of Police border, Morigaon, within 15 days from 24/05/2019, in terms of the said order dated 24/05/2019 or not. However, the counsel for the petitioner could not ascertain the same. Accordingly, the counsel for the petitioners as well as the Superintendent of Police Border Morigaon, response number 4, was directed to apprise the court as to whether the petitioners appeared before the said authority or not in terms of the said order of the court dated, interim order of the court dated 24/05/2019. Observing further that if in the meanwhile, pursuant to the said order dated 24/05/2019, the petitioners did not appear before the SP Border Morigaon, within 15 days from 24/05/2019, the interim protection granted to them by the order dated 24/05/2019 shall stand automatically vacated. When the matter was taken up for consideration in the first half, learned counsel for the petitioner, what's your good name?
Mr. FZB Aklas.
As ZB Aklas, AKLAS, counsel for the petitioners, submitted that after the order dated 24/05/2019 passed by the court in the present proceeding, the petitioners did not contact their counsels. Mr. Z. Sharma, learned standing counsel, Home Department, Assam, appearing for the state respondents. On obtaining instruction from the SP Border Morigaon, submitted before the court that the petitioners, pursuant to the order dated 24/05/2019, passed earlier in this proceeding, did not appear before the said authority. Considering the above and view of the order passed earlier on 26/10/2022, the interim protection granted to the petitioners, namely such and such, by order dated 24/05/2019, has not been complied with by the petitioner, stands vacated. SP Border Morigaon shall do the needful in accordance with.
Copy of the order.
This matter for motion after 4 weeks on a date to be fixed by the date.
Yes. Can I take a copy of this order, Lord?
It will be uploaded.
Yes.
No, sir. No representation on behalf of the petition in court. List after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. List litigation.
Yes, legal lordship.
Yes,
Kindly
sir.
kindly check, there is the order dated 12/9/2023. Yeah, let's. Yeah, Jadi kalau nanti gitu, karena dia naik beli gitu. Etmak itu dia. Itu cuma dia naik beli gitu. Mandi dim deh. Kopi itu dim.
Heard Mr. Afi Hassan. Counsel for the petitioner. Mr. B. Sharma, Lanet CGC for the respondent number 1. Mr. Z. Sharma, Standing Counsel, Home Department, Assam for the respondent number 2 and 6. AI Ali, Standing Counsel, the CI for respondent number 3. Mr. P. Sharma, Additional Senior Government of Assam for the respondent number 5. On being referred by the Superintendent of Police Border, SP Border Likim, Bongaigaon. The learned member Foreigners Tribunal number 1 Bongaigaon in FT case number BNGN/FT/156/09 within bracket REF R capital reference dot P.E. case number 479/2008 bracket closed. By the impugn opinion final order dated 27/06/2018. After hearing the petitioner declare him to be a foreigner on the stream of post 1971. Being agreed with the said impugn opinion dated 27/06/2018. The petitioner has filed this writ petition on 11/09/2020. Issue notice returnable by 8 weeks. As such and such, no formal notice. Petitioners have requested extra copies to such and such by tomorrow, obtaining necessary acknowledgement from them in that regard. Petitioner shall take steps for service of notice on the respondent number 4 by registered postal union, providing its correct and proper residence will take with the postal stamps. Call for the record. So, shall appear before the Superintendent of Police Board of Bongaigaon on or before 18/11/2023. If not already detained in custody, pursuant to the opinion dated such and such. এই মই ক'বাত এটা বলতে কৈছো যে impugn opinion dated to very. Should be 22/01/20, not the previous one. Case number actually is BNGN FT case number 156/09. Reference P case number 479/08. It's equal. However, if the petitioner is already has been taken into custody, he shall be released on bail. That's right.
My pleasure. My lord, following the order passed in 18/2/2019, I was taken into custody, my lord. Thereafter, immediately after the COVID period.
Are you contesting election this time? See, we have the information. He is contesting election from Barak Valley.
And thereafter, my lord,
Please tell us, what's the matter?
my lord, page 16 in the opinion, my lord,
60.
16, my lord. And on 18/2/2019, following the order passed, my lord, I was taken into custody, my lord. Thereafter, during the COVID period, my lord, because of the Supreme Court intervention, my lord, I was released. So the IA was basically, my lord, for this bail, my lord, which I am not pressing at this point, my lord. My respectful prayer will be, my lord, since I am already guaranteed bail, my lord, and I am in under the supervision of local police stations, my
But
lord.
Mr. A.S. Topeda, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, and Mr. B. Sharma, learned CGC. Body respondent number 1. Mr. G. Sharma, standing counsel on department, body respondent number 2, 3, and 7. Mr. A.I. Ali, standing counsel ACI, correspondent number 4. And Mr. P. Sharma, additional senior government advocate Assam, for the respondent number 6. On being referred by the Superintendent of Police Sibsagar, the learned member Furnace Tribunal Jorhat in case number FT/SVR/181/2005 by the impugn opinion / judgment in order dated 18/02/2019 declared the petitioner to be a foreigner under the Foreigners Act 1946. Who had illegally entered into the territory of India within Wicket Assam on or after 25/03/1971. Being agreed with the said impugn opinion / judgment in order dated 18/02/2019 noted above, the petitioner filed this writ petition on 28/09/2020. After the impugn opinion dated such and such, the petitioner was taken into custody, detained in custody. But during the COVID period, in the year 2020, he was released on bail, and since then, he is on bail. Issue rule, returnable by edicts, such and such, no formal notice. Steps on the respondent number overraised the 4/5, appear before the, you are already on bail.
I'm already on bail, madam.
Not required. Register to register matter immediately on receipt of the LC.
My lord,
I to click first.
I
as the applicant was taken into custody pursuant to the opinion of judgment in order dated 18/02/2019 passed by learned member Foreigners Tribunal Jorhat in FT case number FT/SVR/181 of 2005 had already been released on bail during the India 2020. Ghati Pulkel. Sex na beta was suicide. No, man. Epuna hai. Ali usapuni dekho idea karne mai written statement mat bali dise. The petitioner was taken to custody pursuant to litigation, was released during the COVID period, was released in the year on bail in the year 2020. In view of the and since then he is on bail. As such, the petitioner is not pressing this interlocutory application. According to this petition.
I'm deeply obliged, my lord. On a lighter note, my lord, when my lord has asked me to contest the election or not, I am.
One of my friend told me.
My lord,
There is a lawyer in your bar from Borak Valley, his name is A.S.
My lord, I just like to
He is
take a 1
contesting
minute's
election.
time.
That was I've been told. That's why I ask you.
I am the student of Mr. Abdul Mohim Mujumdar. Mujumdar sir used to tell me, when you are not fully successful in your legal profession, you can try your luck in politics. That's what I am doing, my lord.
Mujumdar sir was something different. If you see our judgment, you will see he is the youngest junior government advocate in Assam.
Yes, my lord.
If you read his reported judgment at that point of time, he was hardly 24 years or something. At that point of time, he was appearing in matters for the state and he was successful in that matter. You get the judgments, you'll see.
I'm really fortunate to have a chance to assist him in number of cases, my lord.
One of the
It
most
was my privilege, my lord.
wittiest person. in the
Yes, my
court.
lord, I know. I'm deeply obliged, my lord.
Okay. We missed him.
Happy Lord.
Yes, please.
Lordship, the voter list is at page 30.
Tell us what is the flaw in this particular order.
Actually, Lordship, at the last order, it was told that the evidentiary value of annexure 5, Lordship, that is the voter list. Actually, this voter list at page 34, Lordship. This was issued by Bihar, that is district.
The court rightly asked, what is the eventual value of such certificate?
Yes, Lordship, the code, the last order, the court says that how can a government of Bihar can issue voter list, but this certificate copy was issued by district archive, Lordship.
What's your good name?
PD Bhuyan, Lordship.
For the petition. B Sharma 1, LLC 1. Z Sharma home for 2, 5, 6, and 8. AI Ali 3. B Sharma. Correspondent 7. On being referred by the SP Border Tinsukia. Learned member of Foreigners Tribunal Tinsukia. Case number 1218/06. Within bracket P dot number 85/05. By the impugned opinion of order dated 19/11/2018. Declared the petitioner as a foreigner who had illegally entered into territory of India, Assam on or after 25/03/1971. Being agreed with this impugned opinion dated 19/11/2018. The petitioner filed this writ petition on 22/06/2023. Next, no representation on behalf of the petitioner and all. The name of the two councils have been declared in the cause list. List after 2 weeks may get to be fixed by the registry.
May it please your lordships. Lordship, it's a May it please your lordships. Lordship, it's a contested matter or opinion dated 10/8/23, page number 36 to 46, your lordship. Lordship, in this case, the grandparents died prior to 1966, and the petitioner submitted the voters list from the year 1966 onwards, lordship, and continuous voters list has been submitted. Yes, there is sifting, lordship, which is already mentioned in my written statement, evidence, as well as the evidences led by my mother and brother, everyone, lordship. Even my younger sister is also declared Indian in the year 2010, lordship, not an illegal migrant. Page 99, lordship, is the voters list of 1966. Petitioner has three mothers, two stepmothers are there in this case, lordship.
Part MS Betalal and council appearing for the petition. Mr. P. Sharma, CGC for the respondent number 1. Mr. Z. Sharma, standing counsel of the department for the respondent number 6, 7, 6 and 7. 2, 6 and 7. AI Ali, standing counsel ACI for 3. Mr. P. Sharma, additional senior government person for the respondent for 5. On being forwarded by the SP Border Golpara. Learned member Fairness Tribunal number Golpara, number 1 Golpara. In FT case number 8036/G/16. By the impugned opinion dated 10/08/2023. After hearing the petitioner and considering the relevant documents, declared her to be a foreigner under the Foreigners Act 1946, who had illegally entered into territory of India, Assam on or after 25/03/1971. Being agreed with the site impugned opinion dated 10/08/2023, petitioner filed this writ petition on 25/10/2023. This rule returnable by 8 weeks as such and such, no formal basis. Steps by tomorrow, steps on the respondent number 4 by register posted by tomorrow. Interim quickly appear before the police order Golpara on or before 18/11/2023. Bakichini could call for the records.
Machu.
Your Lordship, my apologies, Your Lordship. Item number 21, Your Lordship. It came as none appeared, Your Lordship. None 21. My praise, Your Lordship, there is a
Twenty-one.
Your Lordship, there's some personal difficulty of the engaged counsel, Mr. K.M. Hassan, Your Lordship. Kindly matter be adjourned, Your Lordship. It became none appeared.
Of prepare for the council of the petitioner. After 2 weeks, will need to be fixed by the registrar.
After 2 weeks, your lordship. Obliged. Your Lordship.
May it please your lordship. Contestant matter, lordship. Lordship, impugn order is case 40 and opinion is lordship, case 44, lordship.
Please come to page number 14.
Lordship.
What you
Name,
could
name of,
see, the stamp is of 29th of May 2019. How could you have the certified copy of a voter list on 28th of October 2011? Stamp itself clearly reflects that it is of 29th of May 2019.
Lordship.
And that particular voter list you have annexed is of 28th of October 2011. How come?
Lordship, it was issued by the election commissioner, Lordship.
It is not possible. The election commissioner will not do this. So old certified copy, above that somebody has done it again. That cannot be considered. Election commissioner will always issue a fresh certified copy. Will not have a date of 28th of October 2011 when you will have a stamp of 29th of May 2019. Because down below there is, that's how it is become suspicious now. In one place it is recent, Nirbasoni Bikhoya Morigao, 21st of October 2011.
Lordship.
And the other end it is written certified to be true copy by orders, Morigao, of 38th of June, 38th of May 2019. How can it be possible? Here is the case at page number 16. That was a document of 1985. Mr. Ali,
This signature, other, not 19, it is before the foreigners tribunal, Lordship, for the election, if I may.
before the foreigners tribunal,
I have the original copy, Lord.
they have obtained the certified copy from the foreigners tribunal.
No, Lordship, they have, they are certified to be true, style, this is the copy, Lordship.
Okay, that's fine. Then how, where is the post stamp duty reflects it is of 29th of May 2019.
Yes, sir.
But the certified copy was received as of page 16 of 1985.
17.
Page 1616.
Yes, Lordship.
Yeah, 25/10, 1985.
Was there a Morigao constituency in the year 1965?
1965.
It should be Bokoni.
It should be no, constituency may be more than,
It is Bokoni.
Bokoni, because
How
at the
come
time it
Morigao?
was not.
That's why I've been, so that's why when I tried to find out,
Yes, sir. Okay.
page number 14. There cannot be Morigao constituency.
No.
We don't know.
You need to verify
Yes, I'll verify.
whether it is Bokoni or Morigao.
Yes, I'll verify whether even the issue,
Bokoni-
whether it has been issued or not.
That Morigao constituency or it has become Jagirod constituency because
yes.
it was, Bokoni has become Jagirod.
Yes,
And
And,
Bokoni was there prior to that. I have those lists.
yes, sir.
I have collected from one, of course, certain lists are not available. It is available in the Assam Assembly
Yes, sir.
website.
Even the deliberation, your lordship, that order, all the
Right,
constituencies are
right,
mentioned.
right.
I'll verify
Because
your
prior to
lordship.
become 124 constituencies, there are less
Less
constituencies. So
constituencies.
there all the constituencies were there.
Yes, 76 around. 19 of the starting, ticket. 11.
That's no more.
Circuit copy for what? Corner 7 for. Circuit copy to corner 7 for. But the one was this is ticket. Let's say one more thing, let's say this certified copy they have obtained not from the election official, or from the foreigners tribunal. If you're down below, there is another ticket that has been.
That's what we're noticing, that
Yes.
is. but
That
thing
ticket is not reflecting in the Xerox of your lordship, but in this original your lordship will notice, but the date is actually not distinct. That but it's missing
No, that is the reason
24
we're
10
asking you.
2011 your lordship.
No,
That is the one issued by the election commission lordship in 2011.
Please verify whether there was a Morigaon constituency.
Yes, I'll verify. Even I verify whether it was issued or not.
In 65, there was no, how many constituencies were there? There cannot be 82 constituencies.
No, I'll just verify.
You need
In
to,
fact, I have a lot. I'll check it out.
and then because it is 82 number Morigaon, there cannot be 82 constituencies in 65.
65, in my, it should be around 76.
Exactly. Petitioner will be in trouble if he has done something with the court.
Not yet. I'll just verify also. I can
No,
verify
no.
whether it might be also whether it is 82 Morigaon or not. I'll just verify and inform the court.
Because I remember it's a Bukoni, Bukoni has become Jagi Road.
Yes, sir. Petitioner has submitted all the documents to the tribunal lordship, and I have
do not
the
know.
original copy.
Mr. Council, we do not know. Today, we are not passing any order.
Not yet.
Mr. Ali,
Yes, sir.
did you verify
Yes, sir.
this particular voter list of 19, page 14,
Yes, sir.
whether there was any constituency like Morigaon?
Yes.
65. Question 85.
Thank you.
But it is should be Bukoni, cannot be.
If your lordship just permit, I have one petition with my bag. I'll just.
এটা নগাঁওৰ আণ্ডাৰত আছিল না নগাঁওৰ আছিল বকনি কনষ্টিটুৱেঞ্চিটো জাগিৰোড আছে আৰু 82 সমষ্টি হ'বই নোৱাৰে
In 1951, your lordship, Nagaon had lordship Lahorigat this constituency, then Morigaon Dhing, then Nagaon Roha, Jamuna Mukh, Samoguri, Koliabor, and Rohihat. It is in 1951, your lordship.
1951
51, there are 8 constituencies in Nagaon district. It was Nagaon. One is your Lahorigat, second is Morigaon Dhing, third is Nagaon Roha, fourth is Jamuna Mukh, fifth is Samoguri, then Koliabor, then Rohihat.
so these are the constituencies from Deed and Nagaon district
Then Nagaon district at the
but
time
this is 65 constituency constituency number 82
82 that
Morigaon That's in 51.
This is 51, Your Lordship. Yes. I'll inform Your Lordship. I have.
Can you
other in
verify
my-
and let me know? I'll
I
let
have-
us know by next week, Wednesday.
Yes, yes.
Should we?
Yes.
Okay, list on 15/11/2023, enabling Mr. A.I. Ali, Standing Council Election Commission of India. Respondent number. Trinity. Just a minute. Respondent number 6. To apprise the court as to whether in the year 1965 there was 82 number Morigaon Legislative Assembly constituency in the state of Assam reserved for SC.
Let's say fix on 14th.
14th Tuesday.
30th.
14th you will do it?
14th.
Okay, 14th.
Any of that. सामने हो रहा है तो लगेगा
Mr. Sek, what is this figure mean?
My lord, writ appeal, my lord. I was declared as a foreigner, my lord.
Writ appeal, why writ appeal?
Against that
Last
judgment, my lord.
passed earlier.
At that time, my lord, single
Judge
judge,
was looking up,
honorable
right?
single judge decided this case, my lord. That is why, my lord, the impugned order at page 81.
There's a division bench judgment, right?
My
By
lord,
which this, all these matters of foreigners tribunal. There's a
Alright.
judgment of the, by which all these matters been placed before the division bench.
Well-
Instead of single bench.
Well-
Against the orders passed by tribunal, right?
Yes.
Now just tell us, Mr. Sek, one thing, whether it will be an order against the particular order passed by the single bench or against that particular order of the tribunal.
this is what happened, my lord, at that time, at the
It was
point of
single
time.
bench.
Yes.
Single bench. has
Single
rejected your
bench
case.
decided the matter. That is why, my lord, it was decided in 2015. So we filed this appeal, my lord, in 2017. So appeal was
Mr.
pending
Sharma,
before
there
your
is an
lordship.
order, that's what I've been looking for. Those judgments passed by learned single judge,
Yes, my
against which appeals been preferred.
lord.
Against which, because single judge passed an order against the order of the tribunal. Writ appeals were preferred. Whether in the writ appeal, the order of the learned single judge to be considered or the tribunal's order. There is a particular order of this court, that's what we are looking for. Whether I have to reconsider the order because the order of the learned single judge.
Lordship.
There is some particular specific order, Mr. Sek. Why this? As a writ appeal, we have to consider,
Yes, ma'am.
but any order passed by a tribunal
Yes. As on today, my lord.
after the judgment passed by the L. Chandra Kumar, it has to be heard by division bench
Division bench, yeah.
in a writ petition,
Yes.
not in writ appeal.
Hmm.
So whether we have to consider the order of the learned single judge or the order of the tribunal.
Here,
Any specific observation in a
yeah.
particular case, that's what we are looking
my
for.
lord.
I will verify, Lordship.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Because L. Chandra Kumar came much prior to this passing of this impugned order here. So necessarily it should have been before it's an order passed by the tribunal. Oh, 2009 order. Just find out, Mr. Sharma, on the basis of which the order passed by the foreigners tribunals are taken up by the division bench. This is the time Justice Goel was there, I think. So from then it has been started. Just verify,
Lordship.
because we know that there is a specific direction in those matters, which order to be considered.
Lordship.
After that order, there is a specific direction, the matters will be placed before the division
Division
bench,
bench.
right?
Yes.
So hereafter, the division bench is supposed to consider the order passed by the learned single judge or by the order passed by the
Tribunal.
foreigners tribunal.
Tribunal. Lordship.
Okay.
Lord-
Find out, there is the order, that's why I read somewhere, I just remember.
Yes, yes, Lordship.
Then only after that order, all these matters, because foreigners tribunal is on the basis of an act, so it's a quasi-judicial authority. So as per the El Centro Guma decision, it has to be before the division bench, but as a read petition. But earlier read petitions were heard by learned single judge.
Single judge, yeah.
Now it has to be heard by the, after that order of the court, it has to be heard by division bench. So accordingly, it is coming before the division bench.
Lordship.
Find out that order. Whether it is single judge order or it is the tribunal's order.
Tribunal's order.
Has to be.
Yeah.
Okay, just very
Yes.
good. We can have it on 15
Lordship.
or on, if you want. 17, next Friday. Find out that order is there, that's why I want to know.
Yes.
Right? Whether
Yes.
we have to consider the order passed by the learned single judge or we have to consider the order passed by the
Tribunal.
tribunal. That's what.
Your lordship referred the order that is passed by the division bench.
There is an order on the basis of which now these matters passed by the tribunal are heard by division bench. Earlier it was heard by single bench.
Actually, my assessment was this, that full court decision has been taken or by the court judicial order, that is division bench.
There is something. There is an
It's-
order on the passed by the honorable honorable
Yeah.
Chief Justice. Thereafter, all these matters are listed before the division.
Till that, my lord, my assumption was that Fulgen's decision has been taken, that it should be taken by the division.
No, let us see. Let us
Yes,
see. What is that decision?
Yes.
What will happen with those orders passed by the learned single judge
already.
or the order passed by the tribunal?
Yes.
That's
Let
what
us-
we want to know.
Let us see. ma'am.
If we have to consider the order passed by the learned single judge, it will go as a appeal.
Yes.
But whether at the same time we have to consider the order passed by the
Tribunal.
tribunal. So if you, let us assume it is allowed.
Yes.
Writ petition, writ appeal is dismissed.
Yeah.
In that case, the order of the learned single judge will be there. So there is a finding somewhere. That is why we want to.
Let us examine, madam.
Yes, yes.
Mr. Sharma also see.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
they
I
have
also-
the Home Department has that order. Find out.
Lordship.
Oblige, Your
Our
Lordship.
side also will inquire.
Yes.
List this matter again on 17 of the prayer of the council.
As writ appeal is filed on 2017, my lord, subsequent to 2017, it has happened.
There is some order. Let us see that order first.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Absolutely. জানাতে হবে পরিগুলো একটু ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড তো জানি না পরিগুলো
Lordship, my lord,
Mahmoud. Please take your seat. Mr. Sharma, have you gone through the records? We'll have it on 14th.
Lord.
We'll have it on 14th.
Hmm.
Mr. Mahmood will have it on 14th.
Yeah.
14th or, yes, on 14th.
On hearing column, Lord.
It will come on admission. We'll consider on because records are here.
Yeah. Item.
On 14th, you will tell us, Mr. Sharma,
Lord.
whether the petitioner appeared before the Superintendent of Police Murigaon
Yes, Lord.
within 15 days from 15th of March 2017 or not.
Lord.
Please tell us on that day. List on 14 for admission on the said date. Mr. G. Sharma, Standing Counsel, Home Department, Assam, shall apprise the court as to whether the petitioner, pursuant to the order of the court dated 15/03/2017, appeared before the Superintendent of Police Border, Morigaon, within 15 days from 15/03/2017 or not. Okay. Single bench session. To come back for single bench 3:30, Madam will sit at single bench 3:30 in her court. I'll sit at 3:30. Your matter to be, let it be on 14th.
14th, my lord.
Okay? We'll have it on 14th.
Alright, can I make one prayer in respect of that? That the counsel of respondent number 7 is not appearing. But I informed him about that. He said that he has withdrawn. Now, we have sent notices. In other cases also notices being served, sent, Lord, not received. There is an initial order where your lordship had permitted to take steps through email, my lord. If your lordship may permit me, my lord, additionally, we can take steps through email. And we had also filed an affidavit to the effect.
You are appearing for whom?
Sorry, my lord, I am in item number 35, lordship. I have a prayer, lordship, in this item.
What's your prayer?
Lordship, matter may be taken day after tomorrow. It's for correction, lordship.
Okay. Obliged, lordship.
Only that permission in the I, my lord, till.
Well, you could do.
Oh, yes.
Correction of date of your correction. It will be tomorrow.
Lordship.
Obliged. Mr. Dubey,
My lord,
even your matters will take up tomorrow.
tomorrow, my lord.
দুইটা কালি বাসলি নালাগে ফেল যাবে
Deeply obliged.
My lord, it is in the case, lordship will see, my lord, several times have been taken and they have not been paid any single pie, my lord. May I pray, my lord, one thing, my lord?
What is happening, Mr. Devnath? Why are you not getting this? Because this matter is pending since long. Right? For no reason.
Let them appear in person, my lord, to appraise the court, my lord. Why they has not paid their salary despite.
One last opportunity may be given for 10 days, my lord.
15th October, 15 November. 15 November.
On the failure on their part, my lord, the officer has to appear in person.
Mr. Nayak?
Lord. Other part is only that bit of instruction, Lord. If why that 4,500.
No, we want to convey one thing. This is off the record.
Lord.
Next week, my lord.
Okay, on 15.
Yeah.
The prayer of the council. What's your good name?
Hey, how are you, my lord?
Okay.